Hello lovelies, welcome back to our channel. It's me, Mary Jensen Amy, and here with me I have my baby girl with me. So I'll be making her hair. So look at, you see that? Very much. It's so much. So yeah, I'll be making her hair with purple. Yeah, she says she wants this. So and one thing about this hair texture, it's not just like our normal African hair. So while making it, you really need to hold it firm, but at the same time you need to try as much as you can, to hold it lighter so it wouldn't pain her. Okay, yeah. So because her hair texture is soft, but you still have to make sure that everything looks neat. Okay, so let's get started. And yeah, so the back side will be into 3. If you are not used to this hair texture, you don't need to apply much oil. If not, it will be so slippery. And you also need to make it tight, because if it's loose, her hair will come out and it wouldn't last. So the more you make their hair, that's the more you get new strategies. So while making the hair, just be careful. Take your time, don't rush, and make sure it is well taken, not too tight and not loose, because her hair is very soft, like I say, very soft. So if you're not careful, everything will just pull out. So you don't want to make hair and in the next minutes they are all pulling down. So you just have to take your time and make sure you do it well. The last but not the least, sagt das Grace? Guck mal. Es ist so hoch, oder? Fine girl. So if you know how to hold their hair, you can always make an amazing hairstyle, because not everyone can make it. Some people at the end of it, you find out that it is not strong. You see how neat it is. Ein bisschen lachen. And this is the baby hair. We will just use gel on it. And voila. Also vorsichtig, okay? Ja. Es wäre ein bisschen heiß, aber ich muss vorsichtig sein. So, ihr Kopf nach hinten. Es ist angenehm, oder?
Ja.
So I'm just using this to tap it, just to help to reduce any extra pain.